Simple present tense prepared by Linda Kusnya Dewi from SMP Negeri 47 Surabaya. Kompetensi inti yang akan kita pelajari pada hari ini ada 4 seperti pada umumnya yang mencakup aspek spiritual, aspek sosial, aspek pengetahuan, dan aspek keterampilan. Untuk kompetensi dasar ada 2 yang akan kita pelajari, yakni KJ 3.7 dan KJ 4.7 untuk kelas 8, yang intinya mengenai tentang simple present tense. Indikator, ada 4 indikator yang akan kita capai pada materi kali ini. Yang pertama, menyebutkan keadaan atau tindakan atau kegiatan atau kejadian yang dilakukan atau terjadi secara rutin. Kedua, mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks tindakan atau kejadian yang dilakukan atau terjadi secara rutin atau merupakan kebenaran umum sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Ketiga, menyusun dialog tentang tindakan atau kejadian yang dilakukan atau terjadi secara rutin. Terakhir, mempraktikkan teks lisan dan tulis sederhana untuk tindakan atau kejadian yang dilakukan atau terjadi secara rutin. Sekarang kita mulai materi utama kita hari ini, yakni mengenai simple present tense. Setelah ini saya akan mulai menjelaskan menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Simple present tense. Habitual action or general truth. Habitual action is the action in a habitual time, while general truth is the truth that people commonly understand that those are act or fact. To describe them, we use simple present tense. Now, kinds of sentence. There are 2 kinds of sentence. Verbal sentence is a sentence that has one verb or more, while nominal sentence, a sentence that doesn't have any verbs. Now, structure of verbal sentence. For affirmative form, the structure is subject plus verb 1, as or es, plus object. Note: to form the simple present tense, we use the verb's base form. For example, go, work, speak, study. In third person singular, he, she, it, the base form of the verb takes as or es. For example, the students go to school in the morning. She goes to school every day. Mr. Wanto works at his office every day. Next, for negative form, the structure is subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb 1 plus object. Note: to form the negative form of simple present tense, we add don't before the verb. In third person singular, he, she, it, we add doesn't. After don't or doesn't, we use the verb base form. For example, the students don't go to school in the morning. She doesn't go to school every day. Mr. Wanto doesn't work at his office every day. Interrogative form, the structure is do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. Note: to form the interrogative form of simple present tense, we add do at the beginning of the sentence. In third person singular, he, she, it, we add does. Do or does in the beginning of the sentence means apakah. For example, do the students go to school in the morning? Does she go to school every day? Does Mr. Wanto work at his office every day? Questions and short answers. For example, do you like spaghetti? If you want to answer yes, you have to say, yes, I do. If no, no, I don't. Number 2, does she know Bulgarian? If you want to say yes, you have to say, yes, she does. If no, no, she doesn't. For the third person singular, he, she, it plus verb, add s or es to the base form of most verbs. For example, number 1, add es to the base form if the verb ends in s, sh, ch, or x, and for the verbs go and do. For example, do becomes does, miss becomes misses, fox becomes fix becomes fixes. Go becomes goes. Watch becomes watches. Number 2. Change y into I and then add es if the base form ends in consonant y. For example, study becomes studies, try becomes tries. Number 3. But do not change y into I if the base form ends in ay, ey, oy, or uy. For example, stay becomes stays, deploy becomes deploys, obey becomes obeys, buy becomes buys. Next, structure of nominal sentence. For affirmative form, the structure is subject plus be in the form of am, is, are plus complement. Note: to form nominal sentence, subject I always use am. Third person singular, he, she, it always use is, while plural subject use are. For example, I am a good student. She is very smart. They are in the classroom all the day. Next, negative form. The structure is subject plus be, am is are, plus not plus complement. Note: to form negative sentence, we just need to add not after be, am, is, are. For example, I am not a lazy student. She is not fat. They are not in the classroom all the day. Interrogative form, the structure is be, am, is, are, plus subject, plus complement, plus question mark. Note: to form interrogative sentence, we just need to put be, am, is, are at beginning of the sentence. For example, am I a good student? Is she very smart? Are they in the classroom all the day? Now, the use of simple present tense. Number 1. When we talk about things that happen repeatedly or habitually. With simple present tense, we often use time expressions such as always, often, sometimes, usually, seldom, and etc. Number 2. When we talk about permanent or long-lasting situations. Number 3. When we talk about people or things in general. Number 4. To indicate general truths, facts, and scientific laws. Number 5. When we talk about travel plans and timetables, mainly with verbs such as go, leave, arrive, start, come, return, etc. Okay, that's all, and thank you.